Welcome to WebStylePress. jQuery 4 took me by surprise, but this is another level. This is web-based operating system built with jQuery, an OS built with jQuery. Can you believe it? And it is open source. The interface is beautiful and minimal, showcasing a sleek and user-friendly design. At the top left corner, there's trash bin icon. Right-click menu has refresh option just like Windows. You can create new folder, file, HTML document, JPEG image. Wow. It's a blank image. You can delete it and it will go to trash bin. Empty trash. Right click. You can upload documents here. Change desktop background. At the top right, you can save session, manage your account, username and password, make it full screen, scan QR code to log into this session from other devices. If you refer it to friends, you get 1 gigabyte for every friend who creates account on it. Invite link is here. At the bottom, we have got about link. Pter is privacy first personal cloud to keep all your files, apps, and games in one secure place, accessible from anywhere at any time. We've got terminal here, a recorder, voice recorder. We've got camera app, a code editor, just like VS Code. It's got extensions as well. It's got themes, user snippets, extensions, everything. You can actually code using this code editor inside this web-based operating system. Then it will allow you to save that file on this operating system. And this is Draw app that is similar to Paint. We have Dev Center here, Notepad. The file was saved. Double click it and it will be opened. We have got Explorer. Click at the start button and we've got search here. Notepad, Draw, Code, Camera. The recent apps that we used recommended are these. Looks like we've got some games here as well. Player is also here. And then I see App Center here. You can use apps made by others. You can create apps for this platform. Stopwatch, open. Stop, reset. Nice. Multicalc. Unit converter is here as well. Wow. It's amazing. A minimal operating system built with JavaScript and jQuery. And this is the Pter GitHub page. By the way, the website is puter.com, puter.com. It's open source, as I mentioned before. They say Pter is an advanced open source desktop environment in the browser designed to be feature rich, exceptionally fast, and highly extensible. It can be used to build remote desktop environments or serve as an interface for cloud storage services, remote servers, web hosting platforms, and more. JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. You can use it locally in Node.js environment by cloning this repo. Pter can be used as an alternative to Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, etc. with a fresh interface and powerful features. Remote desktop environment for servers and workstations. A platform for building and hosting websites, web apps, and games. A friendly open source project and community to learn about web development, cloud computing, distributed systems, and much more. So, why isn't Pter built with React, Angular, Vue? For performance reasons, Pter is built with vanilla JavaScript and jQuery. Additionally, they would like to avoid complex abstractions and to remain in control of the entire stack as much as possible. And they say it's partly inspired by these frameworks: VS Code, Photopea, OnlyOffice. So why jQuery? Pter interacts directly with the DOM, and jQuery provides an elegant yet powerful API to manipulate the DOM, handle events, and much more. It's also fast, mature, and battle tested. It is browser based, so can be used pretty much anywhere. In fact, someone used it on Tesla as well. It's a very interesting project and kind of an inspiration. Have a look and share your thoughts. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.